Right now we're gonna unpackage this heavy equipment seat cover. I'm gonna open this up and show you what you're gonna get. You're gonna get an install guide. This is important. Take a look at it. Then you're going to get a seat back cover. This one has got some sweet custom embroidery on it, but standard, they just come plain. You're going to get a seat bottom cover. Finally, a headrest cover. So those three pieces are what you're gonna get in your package. The first piece that we're gonna install is going to be the seat back cover. So I've got that here. And I'm gonna start by just undoing all of the hook and loop up here where the headrest is gonna go through. And we'll do the same on the bottom. Now I'm just turning this inside out a little bit and we'll work it down over this headrest. And once I get it down to where it's tight, just work one side down until it goes underneath the headrest, and then the other side will go down easily. There we go. Just gonna pull this down, try to make sure that the corners on the cover are lining up with the corners on the seat, and they are. You don't have to be that dramatic when you take the headrest off, but if you're looking for extra style points, you definitely can do that. So what I was doing is just getting this all tucked down inside here so we can fasten that. And we'll put the headrest back on with ideally less flare than we took it off with. Now these three flaps right here are gonna get pushed between the seat back and the seat bottom. And it makes it a little bit easier if you can fold the seat forward when you do it. So when the seat's tipped up, there's this hard metal across the back that gives you a really narrow gap, but once you tip it forward, you got all kinds of space. Now you want to pull this as tight as you can and stick it up there, because the tighter you pull it, the better your cover's gonna look. Now, let's put the bottom cover on. This one's pretty simple. Just gonna hook it right over the front of the seat like that. And then down here in the very front, there's a plastic lever. Work the cover around that so that the lever comes out that hole there. Just like so. And then we'll fold the seat forward again, just like we did before, and push this down through there. Grab this cover that we pushed through. There we go. Now that I've got this clear of that bar there, we'll just leave the seat back to where it's a normal operating position again. And then we'll pull it tight and stick it up against the back of the seat. There we go. Now, let's put the headrest cover on. So the cover goes on with this tail here hanging down the front. Pull it on like that. The tail tucks up inside and sticks in. And there we go, we're finished. Once you get your covers installed, this is what you're gonna be looking at. You can see they fit the seat really, really well because the seat cover is designed specifically for this seat. This material is almost indestructible, so that way you saw how the seat was worn before. Not gonna happen here. It's also waterproof, so that when you hit a bump and spill whatever you're drinking, it's gonna roll off onto the floor instead of soaking into the seat. This epic custom embroidery, anybody can get their logo embroidered on their covers right from the factory. They're made in the USA and have got a lifetime warranty. So if you break it, it's covered under warranty.